Before watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new video. Today we would like to introduce a highly effective drink that has been proven to naturally reduce belly fat in 10 days. Yes, that is right. This drink has been tested many times, and it always amazes people with its impressive results. To prepare this beverage, you will need 2 thoroughly cleansed organic lemons, a substantial amount of ginger, and the next comes a cinnamon stick, yes, a very beneficial spice, and there is one secret ingredient that we shall reveal at the end. We urge you to keep watching the video till the end to ensure you don't miss out. Method: to commence, take a ginger root approximately the size of your thumb, eliminate the skin, and grate or finely mince it. If fresh ginger is unavailable, ginger powder can serve as a viable alternative. The subsequent step involves cutting the lemons and extracting their juice, which we shall use at later step. Following that, dice the lemon peels into small fragments. These lemon peels serve as the fundamental component of the fat-burning elixir, as they are teeming with vitamins and antioxidants. Now, take a deep pot and pour around 1.5 liters of clean water into it. Add the lemon peels, grated ginger, and the cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder. Bring the mixture to a vigorous boil and allow it to simmer for 20 minutes. After this duration, remove the heat and let it steep for an additional 10 minutes, facilitating the extraction of more beneficial compounds. Proceed by straining the liquid. Now at this point, we shall use the lemon juice and liquid that we had extracted earlier. Next, pour this liquid into a glass and sweeten it according to your preference. You can drink it without sugar or you can add honey if you want. Now, it's time to reveal the secret ingredient. It is the very important ingredient of this drink. And that is red chili or cayenne pepper. Add a quantity that you find tolerable. A mere pinch is adequate for a single glass. For optimal results, consume this refreshing drink 1 hour prior to your initial meal and continue drinking it throughout the day to remain hydrated. This will help you to reduce the weight quickly and you will see the difference within 10 days. We eagerly anticipate your feedback in the comments section below regarding your personal experience with this drink. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave your comments in the section below. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Thank you for watching.